Hello my beautiful people, good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chichi. I'm a mom YouTuber based in Germany, and in this platform I talk about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, lots more. I do a lot on this channel. But basically I talk about beauty, how to tell women how to look good, how to take care of their skin. So if that is what you love seeing, sit back and enjoy this video, because today's video is another skincare product review, guys. Lovelies, welcome back. It's been a while. I've not done a video, like 2 weeks now. I've been so busy with family, with school, the kids school and work and all, so pardon me guys. So today I decided to put up this video here because I got a request about this Fair and White So White oil, this particular oil here. I'll be talking on this oil, the benefits, how to use it, and what it does to the skin. So guys, sit back and enjoy this video. Okay guys, so without wasting much of your time, with me here I have the Fair and White So White Skin Perfector Brightening Oil. So this body oil, I've been using it for a while now. You can see up to where I've used it to, and this is my skin, what my skin looks like. I don't use this on my face. I use this on my body after applying my body lotion on a damp skin, just to moisturize my skin, to seal in moisture. You can use this to seal in moisture on your skin, to give you that glowing skin, to brighten up your complexion, dark spots, stretch mark. That is all this oil claims to do on the skin. And guys, I will tell you that this oil is amazing. On my previous video I showed you guys the complete range where I got the product, and see, this time this is the quantity I still have left. I've used half of this bottle, and I use this like every other evenings after my skincare routine. After taking my bath, applying the lotion, then I go ahead and use this oil. So this oil tends to brighten up your complexion. It is made with sweet almond oil. It has glycerin. It has a lot of vitamins. It has a lot of essentials. It has vitamin E oil. And this oil, I will tell you, I'll give this oil 9 over 10. Yeah, 9 over 10, because it does moisturizes the skin and it leaves your skin glowing, looking beautiful and supple. So if you are looking for something to moisturize your skin, if you have a dry skin, if you are suffering from a dry skin, like a very dry skin, this will help you, like, make your skin look supple, glowing, and and help you clear dark spot on the skin. Some people tend to use this on the face, but I don't know, because I have a combination skin and I suffer from acne, so I don't put this on my face. I've never tried it on my face, just on my body. I pour some into my lotion, and I also use some on my skin. After applying the lotion, I use this on my skin to moisturize my skin, and so far so good. I will tell you that this oil has been good. Yes. Will I purchase it again? Yes, I'm going to buy it again. If I continue using the lotion, I'm going to get this oil again, because we all know that it contains sweet almond oil, which we all know that sweet almond oil is very good for the skin. It's essential to the skin. It helps to moisturize your skin, to seal in moisture. It helps to glow the skin, and it helps to clear dark spots and stretch marks. So that is for the pure sweet almond oil. So since it's added to this oil, I think it's gonna do the job, like same way like the sweet oil does, sweet almond oil does. And it has vitamin E. We all know that vitamin E is anti-aging. It's anti-aging. It helps to glow your skin. It helps to give you that youthfulness, give your skin that youthfulness that you want. So, and it contains does it contain, one thing I don't like about it is the perfume it contains, but it's not very, it's not a bad one. It just smells like the So White lotion, and that is it. And it's written here that it contains it has perfume in it. So I love this oil so well. It also has glycerin, and glycerin, we all know, it helps to moisturize your skin and to brighten up your complexion as well. So this oil is a 10 over 10. Like, you don't have anything to mix when you get this product. Like, some product will give you reaction, this doesn't give reaction. It doesn't like whiten your complexion. Like, it's called So White. This is just the name of the cream. So as you can see, this is my complexion, and I'm using this complete range, the Fair and White complete range. and I'm using this oil as well. So this is my complexion. I would sell the fair and white, maybe I don't know, maybe it reduced the fairness of my skin. Like it didn't give me that whitening, you know. So I love it this way. I love my real complexion, and I don't use this on my face. I don't use the body lotion on my face. I use just the Nivea on my face and other serums I get from the ordinary. If you check my handle on Instagram, you'll see what I use on the daytime and the nighttime. The nighttime. I think I'll be uploading it here as a short on my YouTube channel, so you guys can also see what I use on my skin. So my beautiful, let's talk about the benefit of this oil. When you use this oil, it will brighten up your complexion. Like it will give you that glow. Your skin will look beautiful, supple, and you know that simple, that beautiful fairness. That is what it's gonna give you. It's not gonna give you any whitening effect like overnight whitening. No, except you promise this oil with another whitening oil. That's where you get this whitening effect, like excessive whitening. But using this oil this way with the lotion is not going to give you that wow effect you are looking for. It's just going to glow your skin. Your skin is going to be your skin is not going to be dry. Like it will be so moisturized, especially in the winter season. So I'll be showing you how the consistency looks like. So it's so nice. It goes well onto the skin. When you apply it on your skin, it doesn't like spread everywhere. There are some oil you use, it spread everywhere when you are using it. This one doesn't spread everywhere. Like when you use it, it just goes into your skin and immediately you see the glow on your skin. So I love this oil so well. If you're out there, you have stretch mark, it helps to clear stretch mark as well. It helps to brighten your complexion. Like it brightens a lot more than the gold range oil. This oil brightens your complexion a lot. If not for anything, for the sweet almond oil that is included. We all know that sweet almond oil brightens your complexion. So this helps a lot in brightening up your complexion and giving you that wow glow. Like that wow glow. I didn't say wow lightning. I say wow glow. It will make your skin glow. Like even if you're in a dark place, people will still see that glow on your skin. So this oil glows the skin so well. For glowing the skin, I give it 10/10. If you have been suffering for white patches on your skin, especially on the leg side, go get this oil. Like you're not going to experience that again. This works so well to brighten your complexion, glowing your skin, clearing of dark spots. Yes, it clears dark spot, but not, how do I put it, not in 1 week, not in 2 weeks. With continuous usage, you can see your dark spots fading away, turning into brown. They begin to turn brownish, like it will fade away. Like I used to have a dark spot on my leg. I don't know, maybe I got it from an injury or whatever when I shaved my leg, but this oil helps to fix it. And another thing this oil does, it helps to remove strawberry skin. Like it helps to help you to remove those tiny black spots on the legs. I used to have it a lot on my legs because of the hairs growing on my legs, and sometimes I do shave them out during the summer season. So this oil has helped me to fix it. Like my legs look so clean now and fresh. Those black strawberry spots are no longer there on my legs. I used to have it on my laps and my legs. So this helps to fix it, guys. So if you are thinking of you are looking for an oil, or you've come across this one, you've been contemplating of getting it, go ahead and get it. It's a nice moisturizer, it's a nice brightener, and it's a nice oil to mix into your lotion. Even if you are using Nivea lotion, you mix this into it, you're going to get that luxury skin. Your skin is going to look beautiful, supple, and luminous. You're going to have that beautiful skin. Like so guys, I don't know if I was able to convey information to the person that requested for this review. So if you want to buy this oil, go ahead and get it. It's not a whitening oil, but it's a brightening oil. It brightens a lot more than the other gold one. This helps to clear dark spots, and it comes in 250 ml, and yeah, it is made in Paris, and it has a complete range. For you to see that effectiveness, you can actually get the complete range. The complete range doesn't mean you should go and get the gel. You can get this lotion, the oil, and the face cream. It has a face cream. Fortunately, it didn't work for me. The face cream didn't work for me. Maybe I'll give it a try again because it has fragrance. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give this video thumbs up, drop your comment in the comment section, and yeah, subscribe to this channel, and let me read out what is written before I end the video. So, the radiance, softness, and beauty of a satin and even skin, with a brightening active and the sweet almond oil known for its moisturizing properties. Deliciously scented brightening oil has been developed to reduce brown spots, like I said, brown spots, and even out your skin tone for a skin more humorous. Avoid contact with the most mucus, like the nose, the eye, the membranes. So avoid contact with the eyes, nose, and the mouth. And yeah, the product is very nice, and that is what's written. And for the ingredients, you have paraffin liquidium mineral oil, you have vitamin E, you have palmate, you have I can't really say that, so small, sweet almond oil is included. So you have benzonate, you have citric and lemon, yeah, lemon acid. They're all inside the oil, and the oil is so nice. So guys, drop your comment in the comment section. Let me know if you enjoy watching this video. If you like to see more of this kind of video, let me know. Hit the subscription button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay blessed and stay beautiful until I come your way next time. Bye.